Hello everyone, myself Kumari Archana of Mechanical Engineering Department, Kite Group of Institution. Today I will be discussing about total quality management. Before discussing about the total quality management, I would like to introduce the quality. So, a definition of quality is your focus on the satisfying your customer needs. It generally signifies the degree of its excellence, fitness for the purpose. Quality is conformance to requirement or specification. The American Society for Quality defines the quality as the totality of features and characteristics of a product or services that bear on its ability to satisfy given needed. That means we can say quality means free of deficiency. Now, characteristics of quality characteristics. The inherent characteristics of a product or services created to satisfy customer needs, expectation and requirement are quality characteristics. There are two type of product quality characteristics. First is variable and second one is your attributes. In variable means that can be measured like diameter, weight, length, and attribute means those characteristics that cannot be measured. They are either present or absent, like color of your clothes. Now, the evolution of total quality management. The concept of quality has existed for many years, through its meaning has changed and evolved over time. In the early 20th century, quality management meant inspecting product to ensure that they met specification. In the 1940, during World War II, quality became more statistical in nature. Statistical sampling techniques were used to evaluate quality and quality control charts were used to monitor the production processes. Now, quality control. According to the American Society of Quality (ASQ), quality control is the set of observation technique and activities used to fulfill requirement for quality. Quality management component has takes place four stages. First, quality planning, second, quality inspection, third, quality control, and last one, your quality assurance. Now, changing quality concepts. Since quality is a measure of the user satisfaction provided by a product, it should include the following characteristics. First, functional efficiency, ease of installation and operations, safety, reliability, maintainability, and running and maintenance. Now, total quality management modern concept. Improving quality means, among other things, making less faulty product with the same amount of effort and cost, which usually gives the lower unit cost. So, for the improving of the for the total so modern concept or TQM is focusing on continuous improvement, customer focus, prevention, and universal responsibility. For the focusing of all these things, total quality management focusing on employee involvement, employee empowerment, quality measurement, training, value improvement, benchmarking, teamwork, thinking statistically, and supply activity. Now, principle of total quality management. Total quality management, a way of managing to improve the effectiveness, flexibility, and competitiveness of a business. Yet, quality management principle that can help an organization improve their product and service quality are defined by International Organization of Standardization. That means first, customer focus, leadership, involvement of people, process approach, system approach to management, continuous improvement, factual approach to decision making, mutually beneficial supplier relationship. Now, quality of design. Quality of design depends on how well the customer requirement are converted into the product. Requirement of customer is analyzed in terms of technical details and usefulness. Following points provide feedback to quality of design, like market research of customer needs, and second one, your specification of raw material, design of individual components, specification of products, testing results, and consideration of the process used. Then next is factors affecting design quality. we have various factors that will affect the design quality, like choice of right material, selection of appropriate raw material shape, design involving minimum number of parts, use of standardization and variety reduction, production of material removal during the processing, and economic use of materials. Thank you.